Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll be talking about flanged shaft support. In many mechanical systems, everything depends on one simple thing: keeping rotating shafts stable, aligned, and secured. Imagine designing a machine where even a slight misalignment could lead to vibration or failure. To solve this, engineers rely on smart component, a flanged shaft support. So it's the thing that you're looking at here. Once mounted firmly to a surface, this support holds the shaft in place through its central bore, which is this one. The slit allows the body to tighten and grip the shaft securely. So basically this is the slit, and it's what allows this body to twist a little bit and secure the shaft inside it. While the dowel holes ensures perfect alignment every time it's assembled. So these are the dowels, so it's just ensuring that the part is always in its place. It is a compact design, but one that plays a critical role in precision and reliability. Now that you understand how does the flanged shaft support works, let's jump into designing it. So let's open up this part alone. If you look at it, you will see that we have created it in a couple of steps. So basically we started with the revolution, which is this one, and then we created this cut through on the side. We added the holes, and then we extruded the cut. We created this slit at first, and then we created the next one, which allows this part to move separately from the main body. And then we created this head socket, and then we created the tap hole on the bottom right here, and then we added the dowel holes. You can actually create those at the beginning, would be better. And then we created the chamfers. So now that you understand the steps, let's jump into creating it. Click on New, click on Part, and then click on OK. Let's go to front plane and let's start sketching. So basically we will start by the revolution, as we said. Just create something that is close to these. Now let's add in dimensions. Just note that these are the standard dimensions. Basically, if you bought these flanged shaft supports from Mizumi, for example, you will get the same dimensions. I've created it according to the standard shaft support. Perfect. Now that we're done with that, let's go to feature and let's go to revolve post. And voila. Now that we have created it, let's go ahead and remove the material from the sides. Click on this face and let's go to sketch. Let's convert entities, and then let's add these two lines here. So this one should be vertical and this one should be equal. Perfect. And let's make this distance here 42. Perfect. Now let's remove material. Shortcut this one and this one. Perfect. So we're good now. Let's go ahead and create the screw hole. Let's go to feature and let's go to hole wizard. Let's click on this hole and let's make a screw clearance. It's an M6 and it's normal. So through all, keep it through all. One here, and another one here. To do it quickly, let's choose the center rectangle. Let's make it for construction and let's link all these holes to its corners. Voila, and let's add the dimension here. So we have a 30 here, and then we have 43 here. Perfect. Once you're good, click on OK, and voila, you got it. Since we're still here, let's just go ahead and add the dowel holes. Change this screw clearance to dowel hole, make it a 6 through all, and let's just add one here and another one here. So since it's just two holes, let's add a circle for construction. There you go. Let's link this hole to it as well, and let's add a dimension to it. So let's make it 52.5. Perfect. Make this one vertical, and there we have both of them. So now that we are done with the dowels, let's go ahead and create the functional part, which is the slit. So to create the slit, just select this face. Let's create a rectangle, center rectangle, of course. Let's take this line here and make it tangent to this one. And let's go ahead and create another construction center line. Make it vertical. Just to make sure that this rectangle is always on the center. Very good. Let's add in dimensions. This one is 1.5. It's a bit small. Let's add this dimension here, which is a 35. Perfect. And let's go ahead and create an extruded cut. Extruded cut should be 13.5. And let's go to all the way here. Let's create the second slit that separates the main body from the slit or from the tightening element. Create a sketch. Let's click on this line with the convert entities. Let's go here and create a line. This line should be distance by 9. Very good. And let's go ahead and create an extrude cut. It's not what we want, of course, because this one is open. So let's just go ahead and align it. Now that we have a closed circle, let's try again. There we have it. Let's flip side. And let's make it 1.5 here. And there we have our second slit. Now that we are done with that, let's go ahead and create the screw head clearance. To do that, just go to Hole Wizard again, and this time click on this type of hole, and here click on ISO, and then here let's choose this type of screws. Keep it at an M5, and here you can just keep it at up to surface. And then of course we'll be choosing the surface, and then head clearance. Let's make it a 10 millimeters, and let's go to position. Of course we will be positioning it here, and to position it better, or in a better way, let's just add a center line. This center line is actually very helpful. Let's add this distance here, which is a 6, and this distance here is a 14 millimeters. Very good. Click on OK. Oh yeah, we need to specify the surface because we said it's up to surface. Which surface? So basically it's this surface. Just specify the surface so it recognizes up to where it should go. And now let's add the tapped hole on the bottom. Go to Wizard, Hole Wizard, and then just go to the tapped hole. And let's make it through all. We don't want any of that. Go to position, click on this diameter, and then click on OK. And there we have our tapped hole. Now the last touch that we have to do, or two last touches, which is adding chamfers. To add chamfers, just click on the lines where you want to have your chamfers. It should be OK. All these lines normally are good. And of course we just want 0.5 chamfers. OK. Perfect. Click on OK. And now let's just go ahead and apply material, edit material. Let's make it a stainless steel or any other material that you wish. Just click on apply. And there we have it. Let's change the background. So that was it for our tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and see you in the next one.